Hi, this is Asen. Today I would like to share how to auto-save our workbook. Sometime after we finish our task, we might close without saving and we will accidentally press on don't save. So when we reopen, everything lost. To prevent this from happening, actually we can ask the Excel to auto-save every time before we close it. Okay, we go to Visual Basic. Okay. Then we click on this workbook. Then for the procedure, open, we look for before close. Before close. Okay, then this one open, we delete. Okay, then we type this workbook dot save. Okay, we can try and see. Okay, observe this cell. I type something here, then okay, I close. Okay, when I open, the thing is already saved over here. Okay, we try one more time, delete it. Okay, then type over here. Okay, then close. Open, save here. Okay, one more thing we have to bear in mind. We must save this file in macro enable workbook. Okay, make sure we save as macro enable workbook. Otherwise, the coding won't work. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Hope you like this. See you.